This is the video to learn how to automatically write dates in Excel. So open the Microsoft Excel. Here you need to type the date. So control and semicolon. So this is the today's date. Now type here 1, select it, and here type the filter. Now click here and select the series. Type column 1 and here type 365 and click on OK. So we have now this 365 numbers. Now select here and double click this corner. So you will get this whole 1 year. That's if you see the hashes, double click on it and click anyway. Now if you don't need this number series, select it and delete. Thanks for watching.